Hello everyone, so in this video we will unbox this Seagate portable hard drive and we will see what's inside this box and then what's the performance of this hard drive on different operating systems. So as you can see, the front side of this box contains Seagate branding and storage is also mentioned here. It is 5 terabyte and its name is Backup Plus Portable Plus. Okay, so it's saying portable storage, high capacity backup, made easy, and the same thing is written as some other language, something Spanish. Okay, so it is saying it is compatible with Windows operating system as well as Mac operating system, and then from the back side it is written that small drive, massive storage for Windows and Mac, and the same sentence is written in different languages. All right, so it also contains Adobe Creative Cloud photography plan, which you can redeem also. So I am not interested in that, so I'll skip that. So let's quickly open this box and see what's inside this box. Okay, so as you can see, the box is nicely packaged and this is our hard drive. Let's see what's inside this box. So as you can see, some manuals are there, and the box is empty. Okay, let's keep this box aside and see. Here are some user manuals of this hard drive particular. Okay, so we can connect it by using some instructions, as we all know how to connect it, so I am skipping that section and I'm focusing mainly on the hard drive. Okay, so this is the packaging of this hard drive, containing some air tight plastic wrapping, and this must be the cable of this hard drive. Okay, so this seems to be pretty thick as it is 5 terabyte hard drive. So let me quickly open this and show it to you. Okay, so this is our hard drive. Let me open this. It's nicely packaged. All right, and here comes the data cable. Okay, so let's keep this aside and see. Data cable is of, I think, USB 3.0. okay, as you can see, the symbols are mentioned here of 3.0, and hard drive, the cable is blue in color. All right, so it must be high speed hard drive. Okay, so let's see what's inside this. The hard drive seems to be pretty thick. 5 terabyte hard drive. We can see here some, I think, LED or some hole, I think, Seagate branding and serial numbers beneath that. Okay, so this drive is pretty much heavy than my older drives and it is quite thick also. So let me compare this. I am having 1 terabyte external hard drive also of some other brand. Let's compare this, its thickness, with this. So as you can see, this drive is quite thick compared to this 1 terabyte hard disk. It's also 3.0 1 terabyte hard disk, but this is 5 terabyte hard disk. Okay, for more space. So let me quickly connect it to my computers and see what is the available space inside this and what's the read write speed of this. Okay, so let me connect this. Okay, so first of all, I'm connecting it to my Windows operating system computer, and let's see what's the available space inside this and how's the performance of this hard drive. Oh, so this is the LED hard drive. Okay, the disk is spinning, and you can see here that the hard drive name is Backup Plus and the available space is 4.54 terabytes. So out of 5 terabyte, at least you can say some space is reserved for the formatting and files also. So let's quickly see the performance of this hard drive by simply copying some files. Okay, So let me copy some file inside this, some big files, let's say. So what should I copy? Some video file. Okay, let's see this. So this is 450 MB file. It should be small. Okay, so this is 2.29 GB file. Okay, as you can see the size, it's 2.29 GBs. Let me copy this inside my external hard drive and see what's the speed of this hard drive. Okay, so it contains some files here. Start here, Mac app, and then some reserved files. Okay, we can say. So I'm pasting it. So paste, and as you can see the speed is approximately 57, 59, or you can say 60 Mbps, which is not so good, but still I have purchased this to store more files on this hard drive, not for the speed. For the speed I prefer SSDs, and if you are trying to buy SSDs, then you may check the description below. I have purchased so many SSDs from online and I am satisfied with the speed of SSDs. Also, you might find this hard drive useful for the storage space, so you can also find the storage buying link from the description also. Okay, so as you can see, it hardly took approximately 1 or so minute to copy this 2.29 GB file in the hard drive. Okay, all right, so let me cut this and then safely remove this file, and let's see how is the performance of this drive in Mac operating system. Okay, all right, so let me connect this to my Mac and see what's the available space inside this and how's the performance. Okay, so let me insert this. All right, so it's not mounted yet, taking some time. Okay, so it's the dialog box is opened here and says, do you want to use backup plus 5 terabyte to backup with this time machine? I'll rather say decide later. Okay, all right, so let's see quickly what is the storage inside this Mac. So as you can see, it's showing completely 5 terabyte and it's saying 5 terabyte is available. Matlab, it doesn't shows that some space is reserved for some formatting or so. Okay, so let's quickly copy some files inside this and see how's the read-write speed of this. Okay, so let me copy this file. Its storage is 4.2 GBs, as you can see. So I'm going to copy this file inside this file. Okay, so let me copy this, copy, and then paste this. Okay, paste item. So copying is started, and you can see I think it's quite fast here as compared to the Windows operating system. In Windows we will seeing only 60 Mbps, but here we are not seeing the speed. But for 4.2 GB file, it hardly took 1 minute and the file is almost complete. Okay, so this is the read-write speed of this hard drive. Apart from the storage, it's quite good for having this hard drive as speed is concerned. Okay, so I have bought this hard drive online from Amazon in quite a good deal. If you want also to buy this hard drive, then you can also check the description of this video. I'll surely put the best buying link for these more discounts for you people. Okay, so that's all for this video. This is Seagate 5 terabyte hard drive. You may check the description below to buy this hard drive. Okay.